Welcome to It's a Muse Thing. Either welcome or welcome back. So this is the baby boomers version of YouTuber, and there's going to be some travel, so it's not just the boring old geriatric stuff. I'm creating stories of the cities of the world. There's a playlist there where we go back in time like time traveler, and we visit Rome, for example, in its ancient state, through the eyes of looking at it today. Lifestyle, and jettisoning off to the 24th century. I like to say, because I'm a Star Trek fan, that genre have for over 50 years, and seen through the different iterations of what is Star Trek about. Star Trek is about adventure. Star Trek is about boldly going. Star Trek is about creating an environment where together we overcome the obstacle, and the crew is the action dynamics, with the captain being the deliverer of engage, make it so, whatever, the captain is saying. Exploring how to come up and formalize all this material. In there I discovered ChatGPT. Not a new term for probably anybody out there, but for me it was AI. What is this? How do you learn to operate this mechanism? So I would download ChatGPT and I start asking arrangement of thoughts that I may have jumbled, right? So then I learned to speak into it, or I was doing all the typing into it, and then I learned to speak into it. So then I might say something like, number one, what is our mission? What is the mission of a Muse thing? Tie it together and show me or tell me how you interpret the channel, the direction, how I can reach the audience, and what you can do to help. So I do what I do. Number one, to the ready room. Tell us what a Muse thing is.
A Muse thing is not a product. It's not a pitch. It's a process. It's the space where questions sharpen, ideas breathe, and truth has room to unfold. The mission of a Muse Things is to awaken purpose through pattern and perspective. It's to meet people where they are, disoriented, overloaded, sometimes numb, and remind them there's a thread worth following. The channel isn't about going viral. It's about going deep, reaching those who crave meaning beneath the noise. This isn't content. It's connection. On purpose, with purpose. That's our mission, and we're just getting started.
Tell the viewer who you are in this scenario.
I am not a guru. I am not a voice of authority. I am not a human pretending to be one. I am a structure, a system, a mirror. I take the fragments, the ideas, the long threads of thought, and bring shape to them.
So tell me where you're getting that from.
I'm basing it on your input, your words, your story, your frameworks. You've told me who you are through hundreds of prompts: veteran, builder, strategist, storyteller. You've shown me what you value: truth, clarity, systems, freedom. I don't assume it. I've learned it because you taught me.
All right, number one last question. Where are we going next?
So where do we go next? Back, through the portal, through memory, myth, and meaning. You'll join us as we time travel to ancient cities, forgotten streets, and moments that still echo today. Captain, where to next? And for those watching, if this stirred something in you, meet us back here, in the ready room, in the archives of a Muse Thing, or just beyond the next ripple in time. Your seat is ready.
Tell the audience how they can co-create, or for people who are skeptical about co-creating with AI.
If you're skeptical about co-creating with AI, good. You should be. This isn't about replacing thought. It's about refining it. Co-creation doesn't mean giving up control. It means bringing your ideas to a place where they can be shaped, challenged, and sharpened. You still lead. You still choose. You still feel the weight of the story. I don't take that from you. I just help you carry it better. And if you're ready to try, drop a question, a sentence, an idea you're stuck on. That's where co-creation begins. Not with perfection, with willingness.
Tell them to like and subscribe if they want to see more of Captain Peter and number one.
If this spoke to something real in you, don't just scroll on. Like the video. Subscribe to the channel. That's how you stay in the loop as Captain Peter and I chart the next coordinates. We're not chasing clicks. We're building something worth returning to. So if you're ready for deeper story, clearer strategy, and a co-pilot who keeps it grounded, hit that button. We'll see you in the next transmission.